Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make cheese out of kefir. I did one video. This is my second recipe that I would like to share it with you. So what you need is, of course, kefir. I have cow kefir, I have goat kefir, and then these are the ones that has been waiting to become cheese. So the first step is you need kefir, and then you pour them in a jar like I do, in a container. This has been sitting for 48 hours. This is how it looks like. This is the kefir, and this pure clear water is very good for you. It's very, very good for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the kefir grains. So to do that, I'm just going to empty this. I just clear the jar, just like this. If you're wondering how come I'm not doing tutorials, I've got one after another commissioned, a custom order, and especially the Dude Labrowski cardigan is taking me time, so I do apologize, but I have so many tutorials that I have prepared, and then unfortunately did not have time to tape them, but I will tape them as soon as I finish my orders. I know everyone wants it for Christmas. That's what I'm trying to do. But if you're watching and if you want to order handmade items, please order at least 2 months ahead, because for us who knits, crochets, it's very hard with your normal daily life, and then plus you get a commission, and then there's a short period at like less than 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Today's the 9th, I believe. Yeah. Okay, so I just stir it like this, just to show you. And this is the kefir. So I put it back in the jar. And then I'm going to fill it with cow milk. The blue ribbon, the other one with the blue plastic is made with goat milk. Damn, my husband, he drinks it. You can make anything with these. You can make milkshake, you can make yogurt, you can make cheese, and this is the milk I'm using. So just pour it like this all the way up, and just leave a little bit of space, and then I will open it. I will feed the kefirs because they get hungry. See how you know how they're hungry? If you look at the jar, you will see the clear water, and when you open it, the kefirs are on top. That's when you know they're hungry, because there's no milk left for them to be fed. Okay, so this goes back to the cabinet where I put it underneath this island. It's warm there. Okay, so the cheese that I make, I let it sit for at least 24 hours. So what you need is something like this, like a cheese. I just bought these at the Dollarama. They're like $4 for 4 piece. They're cotton. You can get one of these too. It's great. Or I've been using this for I don't know how many years, and I always sanitize it with vinegar. So what I'm going to do is I am going to dump this here. Just like this. And I have a big jar full of kefir ready to turn into cheese. You can grab the big pieces and eat it. It's like yogurt, as you can see. And I just empty this slowly, just like this. Until yeah, you have to wait for a little bit to have it drain. So I did prepare just a sample to show you how to make the cheese. Okay, yeah. So I think I've had this drained. I hang it on my cupboards. I will show you as soon as the kefir gets down, because I filled it in. Okay, so this is the cheese, so I'm just going to empty it here. And yeah, this is how it looks like, the cheese, when you drain it. It's nice and creamy. You can, put it on your bread, spread it on your bread, anything you want to do with it. And I will empty this. It's going to take a while, and I'll be right back. Okay, I don't have much cheese, but it was only for one jar. But I'm going to have more in that big jar. So what I'm going to put this, you need to put dry ingredients. You can put anything you want. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put dry parsley, just about a teaspoon, because I only have one jar. If I had the big jar, then it would be 2 tablespoons. I have pepper here. It's not hot, it's just regular pepper. Just about a teaspoon. And then I have regular pepper. So this one again, about a teaspoon. You can put anything, but I have a big list here that you can put, but I'm only putting few stuff. And then seasoning salt. This has garlic, salt in it. Okay, all the dry ingredients. And then you can put, like I said, you can put anything you want. And I'm just going to stir this, just like this. You can eat this with your salad. Just put it on your salad, spread it on your bread, make a toast. So it's like a Philadelphia cheese. You can even make a cheesecake out of this, but with the plain, without putting anything in it. I haven't tried it yet, because like I said, I am new to this, and I'm trying to share whatever I learn from around me, surrounded me, and this is how it looks like. Tastes good. I always taste something when I'm cooking. So I have this glass container. You can put it in a jar. That would be no problem at all. Okay. And ta-da! your cheese is ready. Okay, so I'm going to put olive oil on top of it, just like this. Just to cover it, as you can see. And then you can put it in your fridge. I know that this won't last long, but up to 3 months I think they last, or even longer. Yeah, but this is just a small bit that I made, and like I said, the other one is draining, so I want to show you how that's done. Okay, let me just wait. Still have to empty the jar, but it's going slowly. Oh, this is delicious. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and here's the kefir that you can drink. And then later, instead of eating ice cream, that's what I do. I make milkshakes. And when you put, the pepper is hot. I have a very sensitive mouth. For me, it's hot, but for the rest of the house, it's not hot. So I just put ice, frozen fruits, and it becomes like a yogurt ice cream. So I try to eat that instead of yogurt, like sweets. So that's good for you. Okay, I'm gonna go back and show you how it's draining the rest of the kefir. Okay, as you can see, it's still draining. And what I do is, this is a square piece. I hang it just over my cupboard here. Let me see if I can show it to you. So I hold four corners just like this, and I just hang it over here on my thingy there. And this is how it looks like. So I emptied the jar, I hanged it over my cupboards, and then it's hanging like this. So I let it hang, and then you can see the water draining. So this is like gold. I would advise you to drink this. It is very good for your body. That's a good part. Don't throw it away. And then I'm gonna make lots of cheese out of this. So this is about I would say about 10 days of kefir that I've been collecting with my 2 jars, and I've been getting, my kefirs are growing like crazy, so I don't know, I need to get rid of some of them, I guess, but no one's coming and buying from me, or I could do it, pay it forward or anything. Just need to separate them, or maybe I will separate for another 2 more jars. So I have 2 jars at the moment working. So they're growing like crazy because I'm feeding them good with goat milk. That helps a lot for them to get healthy. Okay, so I just wanted to share how it's done. I had, can't remember who asked me, was it Nancy from Ontario? Was it you? Asked me how to show how to drain, how to make cheese out of kefir. So this is how you make it, and let it sit here at least, I would say, 30 hours. And then you can make anything with it. You can eat it, you can put it on your bed, you can make your bread, you can make cheesecake. And I'm in the learning of process, so I'm learning, and I'm sharing with you guys. So I just wanted to share you this wonderful miracle that helps us. So I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and have a great day. Stay healthy.